Meantime, before any troops are expected on the ground, there is a legal battle playing out in federal court.
Yeah, Fox 12's investigative reporter Ezra Kaplan is in studio and explains what you need to know.
We've been getting a lot of questions around the legality of troop deployments here in Portland. So let's take a moment to break down everything where it stands from a purely legal perspective. So last Friday on September 28th, Portland and the state of Oregon filed a lawsuit to stop the planned deployment of troops to the city. The lawsuit names Donald Trump, Kristi Noem, Pete Hegseth, and the Departments of Defense and Homeland Security as defendants. Now, the first big step isn't about the full case. It's actually about something called a temporary restraining order, or TRO. Think of it as a pause button. Portland and Oregon are asking the judge to hit that button, stopping deployment plans while the lawsuit plays out. Now, here's the timeline. The federal government has until Thursday afternoon to file its response to the request for a temporary restraining order. This will be in the form of a written document, not in person. Then on Friday morning, a judge will hear arguments from both sides in person in federal court right here in Portland. The judge will likely rule on the restraining order that same day, either verbally from the bench or in a written decision. Now, there are two possible outcomes. One, if Trump's side wins, the deployment plans will move forward. If the city and state win, those plans are frozen. Either way, the losing side is almost certain to appeal. And one more note. This week is only about the restraining order. The full lawsuit could take months, maybe longer, to resolve. Reporting in studio, Ezra Kaplan, Fox 12 Oregon.
Well, tension between President Trump and Oregon Governor Tina Kotek hit another level today. President Trump directed a Truth Social post at the governor. He said Governor Kotek lives in a, quote, dream world, that Portland is a disaster and that law and order must prevail in American cities. In a press release today, Governor Kotek said that deployment of the National Guard could cost taxpayers an estimated $10 million, the federal government paying that fee. She said that, in part, it's an insult to Americans who are struggling with the cost of living, access to affordable health care, and safety in their neighborhoods. And we are working to get you the latest information on the expected National Guard deployment to the ICE facility in South Portland. Again, pending that decision on the temporary restraining order. You can get updates anytime on the Fox 12 app.